Hello everyone, so I'm here today to help you with the information challenge from PicoCTF. I'd rather say it's one of the most basic challenges from PicoCTF, which could be a really great start for beginners to step into the CTF path. So now just get to the point. We'll look for description. Files can all be changed in a secret way, and can you find a flag? And here we got a file, just click to download it, open it. So here's what we got, an image. We look for the flag in an image. I think this is not possible, and in other words, this is not a good solution. So we come back and look for the hint. The author said that we should look for the details of the file and just make sure the flags have this format. So we should move to our terminal. And here's a file we are working with. So in this challenge, I would like to use two tools. And the first one I want to introduce to you is the EXIF tool. Well, EXIF tool is a widely used metadata information recorder. So with this tool, we can read, write, and manipulate such metadata information. So in basic words, we can read and custom the metadata information that belongs to a file we're observing. In this case, we are working with the cat.jpg, so just type, and here is all the elements, the information that belongs to the file. So just look for the strange, the uncommon things among these. And these are the first strange things I've seen. Well, I think this is a hex byte sequence, so we've got no idea. So just copy it. And the second tool I want to introduce to you is a CyberChef. Well, the CyberChef is a really powerful tool in encoding and decoding. It has many other functions like compressing or extracting data, but what we will use in this challenge is just encode and decode. So here's an input, just copy what we have copied. As I've said, I think this must be a hex sequence, so we look for the hex. It's really easy to use because it's have an instruction like this. It will give you an example. So I just click and drag it to the recipe. We look for the output, and this is what we got. So basically we're wrong. Just get back to your terminal, and this is a second string line that we have reached. So just copy it and paste it. So well, I think this could be a base64 sequence. So I will look for it here from base64. Just drag to, and here we got the flag PicoCTF. Just copy it and submit the flag, and that's what we got.